World champion Saiko Mirabai Chanu bags India's first gold medal on the opening day of the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games today. MMWO claims Chief Minister Biren has assured a separate minority welfare department and an SIT to probe schemes undertaken by MOBC from 2010 to 2017. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee demands NIA probe into the forged check drawal authority CDA case to find out the truth. And the Trout Kwaketel dropped Mohammedan Sporting Club 4-1 in the I-League 2nd Division match at Kumanlam Park today. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. India has won 1 gold and 1 silver on the opening day of the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games today. Reigning world champion Saiko Mirabai Chanu won India's first gold medal. She won the coveted gold medal in the 48 kg category with a total lift of 196 kg. Weightlifter P. Guru Raja opened India's medal account by claiming a silver in the men's 56 kg category. The 25-year-old Guru Raja, making his Commonwealth Games debut, equaled his personal best of 249 kg to finish second in a field. Malaysia's 3-time Commonwealth Championships medalist Muhammad Izhar Ahmad won the gold, while Sri Lanka's Lakmal Chaturanga collected the bronze. In men's team badminton competition, Indian shuttlers blanked Sri Lanka in a largely lopsided preliminary clash of the event. In women's team table tennis, India thrashed Sri Lanka 3-0 in a group match. However, in women's hockey, India made a disappointing start. The team went down 2-3 to Wales after trailing for most of the Group A clash. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip and the Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen in separate press releases expressed happiness and appreciation for Saiko Mirabai Chanu upon winning a gold medal in the ongoing Gold Coast Commonwealth Games in Australia. Family members and friends of CWG gold medalist Saiko Mirabai celebrated her victory at Nongpok Kakching, her birthplace, today. Saiko Mirabai not only bagged the first gold medal for India in the ongoing CWG but also sets new CWG record in the event.
Nungaibada isaje lebang khangde nungaibasu kapi degi awabasu kapi masi jai nungai mandana wakhanje nungai mandana kapure Manipur da natana India gi ahalba gold medal phangak pase yam harau ban nungai ba phaujai toigum musung aikhoi mamang da topa state ta sigumba Commonwealth Games ki gold phangkraba ma da DSP gi simpham pi khraba nina aikhoi pi khrabai khongang nong pokaksing da gi haujarak pi mirabai su ma gi ju chana jaba DSP gi simpham je Manipur sarkar na PBU haina aikhoi nong pokaksing gi maira paibi mayam na luxury.
Chief Minister N. Biren, cabinet ministers and top officials of the state held a discussion meet at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today on the Go to the Village mission, which would be launched in the first week of May 2018. Speaking at the meeting, Chief Minister Biren called for converting Manipur into a model state for development in the country. He appeals to all the citizens of the state to work together towards maintaining transparency and help the poor and the needy to bring a positive change in the state. Speaking further, the Chief Minister said that under the Go to the Village mission, visits will be made in every village in each and every constituency of the state. He maintains that infrastructure mapping of villages would be done soon. Biren said under the mission, sectors such as agriculture, power, education, health, etc. would be given foremost priority. Calling for teamwork to make the mission successful, Biren stated that a committee would be formed with Chief Minister as Chairman, Deputy Chief Minister as Vice Chairman, PWD Minister as Convener and MLAs as members. The Chief Minister called for an interaction session cum meeting regarding the Go to the Village mission at City Convention Center on April 8. He directed all the Deputy Commissioners to identify the number of villages at their respective districts and to create wide awareness campaigns about the mission in every district of the state. He assured that there would be no financial crunch under the Go to the Village mission to bring inclusive development in the state. Thangmaiban Apunba Nupilup Thanil in a press release lauded the state government for handing over the missing arms case over to the NIA for investigation and further drew the attention of the relevant authority to nab the culprits involved and give befitted punishments to avoid such incident in the future. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has stated that the Chief Minister has given them assurances of setting up a separate department for the welfare of the minorities. President of MMWO Pundri Mayum Abdullah Pathan told media persons that the Chief Minister has further gave the assurance of setting an SIT to investigate schemes undertaken by the MOBC from 2010 to 2017. He said the Chief Minister acknowledged the ongoing campaign by Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization for the welfare of minorities and announced an exclusive minority welfare department to ensure rights of the minorities in the state, especially the Meitei Muslims. Official members of MMWO along with the people of the area expressed happiness at the Chief Minister's consent of the organization's demand. Speaking further, Abdullah Pathan stated that 10 members of MMWO met with the Chief Minister at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Works Minister Biswajit, Education Minister Radhesham and Forest Minister Sham Kumar were also present at the meeting. He said a written consent on their demands was given to the organization.
Wari Sajaroba, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, Palibalang, Maika the Taujakiba demand, Atuba Matamda, MOBC, Dagi Tongan, ID, Tongan, but separate minority directed Amatambu Habdo, Tasena, Nasi, I coin Hajar of the Hena. Nasi the BJP Lusim Gomen Asina, minority directed Kimota, minority welfare department Amoina, Tasena Tamani OBC, Kaiduani, Hibagasi, Tamaman Kaiduani habits of Sabai with a full commitment, Bibidakle, Pan misuse Tokiba Lana Sinakiba Skimsing, manipulation Toki Mayamase, Tijanabida SIT, Masemakanda, Masiatu Matamati Lagani, Hibagi, Nasigi commitment so for the PB, Masibu Sapsar, fulfilled Tobirakani, Hibagi, Asasu, MMW Ogi, Maika Dagi, Tamzeri, Miam Puna Makata Nasu, Masigis, MMW was Sawatpio.
Congress party has demanded to hand over the forged check drawal authority CDA case to the National Investigation Agency to find out the truth. Referring to the media clarifications given by Works Minister T.H. Biswajit yesterday that there has been no case of withdrawal of funds with a forged CDA and without the approval of the Works Department and the Administrative Department, and that an FIR has been filed with the police and investigations are underway. Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Hareshwar Goswami, during a press meet held at Congress Bhavan this afternoon, questioned the Works Minister as to who is investigating the case and on what basis it was confirmed that no funds were withdrawn with a forged CDA. He further questioned why were the issues that occurred in the last 4 to 5 days not on media and public domain. He maintains that the issue of several crores of rupees would have been kept in silence if the Congress party had not told the media persons. Hareshwar inquired if the Works Department knew about the matter earlier and why he did not report to the police. police. He maintains the issue only seems to have come to light when the Finance Department sent a report to the police. Hareshwar demanded that the case must be probed by an independent body like CBI or NIA, and also to withdraw the allegation holding the Congress responsible for the issue. He said they intimated the media after they have evidence and proof.
Fund force to the fund withdraw force to what check na fund withdraw to this kamain khangino sin. Haibadi huji still investigation chathari issue hai police ta dagas thari issue hai aduga mana kamain to na karamba team na karamba group na kanana thijalaga mana khoi no funds withdrawn with force CD se kamai haibano sima joi thamjaning maram de thijaliba pot namu bo khangriba loidri pot namu mana tawdi haigadi thijalakadu gi phone du su independent CBI gumba NIA gumba natragadi mana high thokra pot abasida tana torkane basi khoi madugi chingnadaba ngamde makoina already hana thijan jaraba ni congress na mana longnaba tawani haibam chi am kanna haiba tari.
Secretary General of Joint Administrative Council of Amtug MGO Laitonjam Biken has asserted that the government trying to arrest the members of the council instead of bringing about a solution to the cease work strike of the council, demanding implementation of 7th Pay Commission will not solve the issue. He maintains that the council will withdraw its strike immediately if the government gives a positive response. Biken was speaking to media persons at an undisclosed place in Imphal West District today. He said the 7th Pay Commission has been implemented in 25 states in the country, including 19 states led by the BJP for more than 2 years. However, the BJP-led government in the state still does not pay heed to their demand. Biken further mentioned that 4th Pay Commission was implemented in the state after the employees agitated for 15 days. The 5th and the 6th were implemented after protests for 1 month and 2 months, respectively. Biken questioned how many months the government wants the employees to protest to fulfill their demand. He said the council will appreciate any step the government takes to resolve the cease work strike. However, they will continue with their agitation if the government acts on the contrary. He also maintains that the employee will take out their protest on road from tomorrow. On the other hand, Amtug and MGO also condoles the untimely demise of special correspondent of the Telegraph, senior journalist Helen Tokchom. The 38th Foundation Day of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP will be observed nationwide tomorrow. Addressing media persons at BJP office in Nite Park Chitek today, General Secretary Admin of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sharat Kumar said that the BJP established in April 6, 1980 is one of the biggest political parties in India. He said BJP Manipur unit will hold the nationwide Foundation Day observance at state, mandal and district level. State BJP Vice President S. Joy is the Chairman and General Secretary. Organization of State BJP and Nimbus is the convener of the state-level organizing committee of the Foundation Day observance, which will be attended by Chief Minister Biren as the chief guest. He appeals to all BJP workers and supporters to attend the function, which will start at 11 in the morning. General Secretary Organization of State BJP and Nimbus told media persons that BJP senior leaders of the state and family members of the deceased leaders will be felicitated at the 38th Foundation Day observance. During the press meet, K. Sharat Kumar also lamented the allegations by the Congress party in connection with the forced CDA case.
Bharatiya Janata Party ki sarkar litto sarkar sing maramda Congress party na wafum khar thammi ngarang honorable minister na sengdokpa yaba sengdokraba paisa sing adu magi account ta contractor du ki account ta changjar ga su account pan mak to loina freeze toksal ga thamme abisi honorable minister ngarang phungdokki wafum ni adu ngasi di Congress party na in terms of crore ki paisa manghan gre haidna allegation to basi honorable minister si daita leiba rajya sigi mantri ni Congress party na assembly da house to people statement kaudri ujik Rabina Sanjit Sibada hat panatan upay likti hagi base matam duki daden chief minister ogiba si oibo bina hagi wapam ne si pa hai ta hajan bi habit to BJP di lejade.
The hearing in connection with the appointment of Parliamentary Secretary at the High Court of Manipur, which was supposed to be today, has been adjourned until the next 10 days, responding to a petition filed by the Petitioner Council. It may be mentioned that 4 Congress MLAs had filed a case in the High Court of Manipur to repeal the Act, following Supreme Court's ruling on the Act approving the appointment of Parliamentary Secretary as unparliamentary. Irate students of DM College of Arts set ablaze a desk and benches of the college against the non-fencing of the rear wall of the college and also locked up the gate of A block. Speaking to Impact News, General Secretary of DM College of Arts Students Union, Arambam Vikas, stated that they had written to the Education Minister to put a fence in January and also had met the Chief Minister regarding the same. He expressed disappointment that the government is still indifferent to their request. Vikas maintains that due to the absence of the fence, drug abusers frequent the college and expressed apprehension of becoming an infamous place. He also announced total shutdown of DM College of Arts from today against the indifference of the government, and also maintains that the construction work of PG academic block will be suspended with immediate effect.
Tang ani dagi satha jakwa protest asi government da April sigi manung da fencing khaba loisami order se thokpi na ba haijabani mapi mapa oiba sing da masa sing na haijabani adubu tabi dabana maram oiraga hoji fawu da fajaba response amata pibiraktabana maram oiraga akoi ngasi dagi di DM College of Arts total shutdown tokjargani amasung hoji PG gi academic block sari ba sijo akoi matam kaktana thingjanjargani masida karigumba gi construction amta saba yaroi satra singi apam basigi mayok ta kanagum ma lepak patarga di madugi afafat gi daita masana amasung Manipur government na pujagadabani habisi mayam fam thamjagi.
Wabagai Social Welfare Club has imposed a ban on the officials of Kaching Division 3 Water Resource Department from attending their office. The club further warned of intense agitations if the government fails to compensate the 19 lakh rupees which were allegedly utilized in repairing Sekmai river banks. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, advisor of Wabagai Social Welfare Club, Mayangbam Ranjit, stated that river banks at Wabagai, Tingel Lekai, Kairak, Kalika and Bamulaikai were destroyed in the floods last year. He said when the affected people approached the officials of Kaching Division 3, they were told there were no funds and later came to an understanding that funds would be reimbursed if the people can raise funds to repair the river banks. Ranjit maintains that the elderly folks and residents of the area jointly contributed the funds required for the repair works since the authority concerned failed to provide the funds. However, when the women folk of the areas demanded the EE, AE and SEs of the department for reimbursement, the officials declined, stating that they have no funds and advised them to acquire sanctions from the government by launching a project. Ranjit drew the attention of the government and authorities concerned for immediate actions.
Shendong tan gi haibna te honorable CM na mark to wirok matungina chief engineer office ta chalaga khoi si submit tawre chief engineer na mathang thadara gi AC am de division bau thadara kanda machi khanara matungda hairi ba sanction je imai ben ge da tanu nakhoi na paisa du tanajaro haibagi yam chawba imai ben da dia siguma pressure among pishan birak tane imai ben ge se yamna mathoi nuai ta mong da leire akhoi gi paisa se imai ben ge gi paisa se makhoi na kari ma pibi da bataraga de hairi ba division gi official singam de FCD gi staff sing hairi ba jaga wobgai gi jaga da changba changan da ba haibsima khoi wareb na re.
Lumding Education Welfare Association in a press release said the association as part of Lumding Kumantem Laikai Thawbal districts drive against drugs and intoxicants caught 3 youth from Sangai Yumpham Dam Pillar number 4 abusing heroin number 4 and were later cancelled by the association. Socio-Development Subcommittee Khabam Lamkhai in a press release stated that the committee has closed down Safe Express Godown in the locality for storing illicit intoxicants. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on cleaning of Thongangbi Canal in Langdum today after a gap of 24 years. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Cleaning of Thongangbi Canal in Langdum began today after a gap of 24 years. Addressing media persons, MLA Kairao constituency, Laurembam Rameshwar asserted that cleaning up the bed of the canal will facilitate around 31 acres of paddy fields. Rameshwar maintains that the unattended condition of the canal stretching about 7 kilometers from Langdum to Chanam Sandrog in Kairao constituency has been causing inundation of the surrounding agricultural farms and houses during monsoons. Floodwaters from the paddy fields in Thongangbi can now be easily drained into the canal with the cleaning of its bed. He also assured that the mini Thonglaubi barrage connecting Thongangbi Canal and Iril River will be repaired by next year.
I'm going to say, Kunman Chantraba to see Kongs Together, where low pari, listening Tara, Mangasonga, Ecker, when listening to Tramatoi, something like Baduna, or Ansiru again to so much side, Sandro Conduct, not Simamzana, Low Sadava, Sahim the Una Vita do, and the same Konga, the Matengo, and Calado, Sigma, my department, Anazarakan, Yam Chopam, 25 post for Open and Human Kilakanda, and the Soidana, we come and Sikipandum when a low missing the. Sing our level have a Makoi Pandam, have Kongo, Sing Governor. Matangi say the Koi Yargadi. My department does can election beyond high level the government Japamatic Chatavanina. I have people the proposal target later. Kaimo Shamurakanda, Sing Chopin Halagadi, Sankarana, quite keep it again. Live Matang say, come to December, January, try to get quite tuition as Siman.
P. Birahari Charitable Trust distributed monthly old age pensions donated by Wangjing Tentha MLA P. Brojen of Thawal district in memory of his late father P. Birahari since 2013 at the residence of the MLA in Wangkim today. Speaking at the pension distribution event held twice a year, Brojen said that the pension scheme was introduced to help the aged persons above 68 years with no political mindset. Pension of 1,200 rupees each for 6 months were distributed to 950 elderly persons on the occasion. All India Tanzam-e-Insaf AITI Lilong Local Council in a press release notified that prizes for the winners of the first state level GK competition organized for class 7 and 8 and class 9 and 10 categories will be distributed on the 8th of April at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa at noon on the same day. A 12-member measles rubella vaccination team including doctors and nurses of Measles Rubella Primary Health Center Moray flagged off from Moray Town by SDC Moray H. Romeo headed towards Chandel and Technopole districts to administer measles rubella vaccinations to children in the far-flung villages on Indo-Myanmar border. The MR campaign team under the Block Program Management Unit of Primary Health Center Moray was led by Medical Officer in charge of PHC Moray, Dr. K.H. Shantikumar. And the team left Moray Town around 8 this morning. 280 children in 6 villages were vaccinated today on the first day of the campaign. A vaccination receipt was also issued to each child who had been vaccinated. The 5-day-long campaign will be carried out in around 47 interior areas of Moray from April 5 to 12. One-day free eye screening and cataract detection camp was organized by Kairem Bikok Students Union and Club KSUC in association with Shiza Eye Care Foundation and National Program for Control of Blindness NPCB National Health Mission at Kairem Bikok Primary School in Thawal District today. Out of the 220 patients who were checked up at the camp, 12 were diagnosed with cataract. Shiza Eye Care Foundation unit has assured free cataract operations for the patients at the camp. United Committee Manipur UCM in a press release said that a condolence meeting was held to share grief and solidarity on the untimely demise of special correspondent of The Telegraph, Kellen Tokchom. The press release said UCM members observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. And in sports, in the I-League Second Division match played at Kumanlam Park today, TDM Road Athletic Union Trau Kwakaitel dropped Mohammedan Sporting Club 4-1. The 4 goals of Trau Kwakaitel, the first champion of Manipur State League, was netted by jersey number 10 Malengamba Maitei in the 25th minute of the match and another goal during injury time, altogether 2 goals before half-time. And jersey number 11 Prince netted another 2 goals in the 72nd and 90 plus 5 minutes of the match. The lone goal of Mohammedan was netted by jersey number 9, Dipendu Dwari, in the 55th minute of the match. Due to the intensity of the match played between two formidable opponents, one player from each team, namely jersey number 10, Fikru of Mohammedan and Naucha of Trau, were booked yellow cards by the referee during the 65th and 80th minutes, respectively. Notably, Chief Minister N. Biren launched the opening match today. It may be mentioned that out of 3 matches played so far in the tournament, Trau Pocketel has won 2 matches and drawn 1. Health Minister L. Jentakumar and Managing Director of HVS Construction Private Limited, Huidrom Vikramjit, attended the opening ceremony of the match. The second Chingtam football tournament kicks off today at Leitan Pokpi Playground, organized by Young Sporting Club Leitan Pokpi. Addressing the gathering, chief guest of the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Waikem Chan, stated that sports is the face of the state to the world. He further said that even though our state is very small, it has contributed immensely in the field of sports in the country. He said sportsmanship is not identified by winning or losing, but by the spirit to play the game. Spokesperson of BJP, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, and former Chief Minister of Manipur, Radha Binod Koijam, were among those present at the event.
Manipur tariba tongan bazati singsigi ida tonga achauba magi maramdam Manipur su saktang na bahona bada akanba magi energy sinnarakanda Manipur si sports na khangali ai basi mai wa dun thamjage sanaba sida po thoiba natana aikoi kudimak lamdam sigi Manipur gi amadi bhar ki damta sanari ai bo wakal du khanbirakanda sagi player singna sanabiu.
The 19th Mini 21st Sub-Junior and Junior Boys and Girls 34th Men and Women State Level Sepak Takraw Championship 2018 kicked off at IMSUC ground in Hengang, Makhalekai. The championship, jointly organized by All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association AMSTA and IMSUC Hengang, will conclude on April 8. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen, MLA Yai School Thokchom Satyabrata, Imphal East Adaksha P. Bimola, President AMSTA K.H. Dorendra, proprietor of Hengang Microfinance K. Dilip, and many Sepak Takraw fans attended the opening event of the championship. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Reigning world champion Saiko Mirabai Chanu bags India's first gold medal on the opening day of the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games today. MMWO claims Chief Minister Biren has assured a separate minority welfare department and an SIT to probe schemes undertaken by MOBC from 2010 to 2017. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee demands NIA probe into the forged check drawal authority CDA case to find out the truth. And Trau Pocketel dropped Mohammedan Sporting Club 4-1 in the I-League 2nd Division match at Kumalam Park today.